Hello, my friend. Start by washing all your vegetables and patting them dry. In a pot, bring salted water to a boil, then turn off the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. I wasn't sure which cucumbers my friend could get, so I prepared both Korean cucumbers and mini cucumbers. Slice the cucumbers and score a deep cross so they can be stuffed later. Soak the cucumbers in the salted water for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, thinly slice the onion. In a blender, add plum syrup, fermented shrimp and tuna extract first. Then add onion, garlic and cooked rice, and blend everything until smooth. Drain the cucumbers and let them cool completely. Pour the blended paste into a bowl. Then add chili flakes and oligosaccharide syrup. Julienne the carrot and mix it into the seasoning paste. Now slice the chives into short lengths and fold them in. Carefully stuff each cucumber with the seasoning mix. Place them gently into an airtight container. Leave it at room temperature for a day or two, then refrigerate. You can enjoy it fresh for a crisp bite, or after 3 days for a deeper, tangier flavor. Oi Sobagi goes perfectly with a warm bowl of rice, or just enjoy it on its own. Hope you give this simple and bold Korean kimchi a try. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon.